Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jada, and if you're new, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back, sis. So today I just literally wanted to just sit down and play with makeup today. I haven't just sat down and just said something random in like the longest time, it feels like. So we're just gonna sit and play with makeup together. And I did buy some, and a lot of the stuff that I'm gonna be using today is like new that I just got. So it's basically gonna be like full face with new products and just a tryout too. So yeah, so if you guys want to stick around and hang out with me for a little bit and we play with some makeup, then stay tuned. All right, so the first product that we're gonna be doing, as always, is priming. So we're gonna be using our good faithful here, our Touch in Sol no problem.
No problem.
Primer. So for brows, we're gonna be going in with the My Brow and the number 5. Oh, that's even better. Hey guys. Alright, so now that the eyebrows are on, we're gonna go in with foundation. So you guys should know by now I'm gonna be using the Born This Way foundation. I still use the color Chai for right now. It is getting warm here in Jersey, but the weather honestly like this month has been kind of weird. I don't know, like one week it will be like in the 70s and then the next week it'll be like in the 50s and raining. Like literally the past few days it's been raining non-stop, and it's absolutely annoying. All right, so I'm gonna go in with my M439 brush. As you guys should know, my brushes are still a little wet. I just washed them yesterday. Using its sister concealer in the color Maple under the eyes. Well, you know, our regular highlighting areas, which you guys know are the under eye, the bridge of the nose, oops, the bridge of the nose, and why can't I speak today? We're gonna do a regular highlighting areas, which is the under the eye, bridge of the nose, a little bit of the forehead, and the chin. We're just blending her out. You say? Blending her out. Well, you guys know I just like to buff out here first for the under eye. Then go in with my E8 brush. E8 brush, smaller, little dense blending brush that I like to use for smaller corners and under the eye. So guys, I'm super excited. Going on vacation super soon, going to Vegas. And I'm very excited about that. I've never been to the West Coast before. The most West Coast I've ever been to was like Philly. And that's not really West Coast at all. It's still technically East Coast. So that shows you how well versed I am in traveling in America. Like my mom has taken me to, what the heck is up with my skin today? Like on camera I know everything probably looks really good, but I don't know, in person it looks crazy for like a second. But anyway, my mom has taken me like to a lot of great places. Like I've been to Disney World, like the one in Florida, not Disneyland, in Cali. I've been to the Bahamas, I've been to Mexico, I've traveled, I would say, a good amount for my age. And my one dream though was to always go to Cali or some type of the West Coast, but mostly Cali. Cali's like my dream. place to go. So now that she's nice and blended out, we're gonna go ahead and set her down really quick. We're gonna go ahead and, she's dirty, she's dirty. With Old Faithful, Maybelline Loose Setting Powder, and Deep 35. Going again with my Morphe R4. What the fuck? I can't speak today, sorry. Going in with my M437, and I'm just pushing the product in. That's all pressed. Disgusting. Sorry, I'm such a lady. So now we're gonna go into our ojos, our eyes. So I guess I'm gonna go in with our P. Louise base in Rumor number 4. I wanted to try it in number 4 just because that's what I've seen other YouTubers that are my skin color use. So we're just gonna follow suit because I don't know no better. I don't know no better. I'm gonna go in with this like random brush and just gonna take it, and I'm gonna zoom you guys in more a little bit, and we're just gonna pat. You guys can see good. Pat. Alright, so I know this looks like cray cray, but don't worry. Okay. I'm gonna go, I know this looks crazy, but don't worry. I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Revolution. Sorry, it's kind of close. You guys are close now. My Makeup Revolution concealer in C13. I'm gonna use that to go like under the brow and like blend in the concealer like right there. So, not the concealer, the base, I'm sorry. Just so that it just blends better and it looks better. And there we go. So now it doesn't look as crazy. All right, so it doesn't look as crazy, but it looks good. So once you guys see the end result, you guys will understand. So we're gonna go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. We're gonna go into the, which one is this? Oh, this is the Boss Bling collection. So we're gonna go into the Boss Bling collection. I'm gonna recreate one of the looks, well, the latest look that I have on my Instagram. You should go check that out if you haven't already. But I'm gonna recreate that because I tried to make a video with that look, but the files got encrypted and they got lost, so yeah. So since my camera wants to overheat now, I'm just gonna go ahead and do this eye off camera, and then when the camera cools down and everything like that, we're gonna come back and we'll do the other eye together. Okay, sounds like a plan? Cool. 1 second, hold up. Okay guys, so I did the one eye off camera. Really quick about this palette. The fallout wasn't, well, the fallout to my eye, like underneath my eye, actually had like none. There's literally none there right now, which is awesome. There was some kickback in the palette. I obviously I blew it away, but there was some kickback in the palette. As you can see, it's pigmented and it's really pretty. It retails for $15, even though I got this as a gift for my birthday this year. But it does retail for $15. You can get this at Ulta or obviously the Morphe website. But so I'm gonna actually jump off really quick because you guys saw me prime this eye already. So I'm gonna prime this eye, and then when we come back, I'm officially actually gonna get into the palette. So we're gonna go into the Boss Bling palette, like I've been saying a million times, and we're gonna go into this Hush, this very pale purpley color, and we're gonna go in with our M518, and we're literally gonna go all over the lid with it, like all over. And that's basically it. Nice and built up. If you want it to be more intense, you know, obviously keep going until you get the intensity that you're looking for. But this is what I'm looking for. nice. And so I love this color because it's so soft and it's so pretty. Like if you wanted to do something very like daytimey and soft looking, this would be a great transition color to do that. So the next color we're going to be going into is I don't know why I can't speak today. Next color we're going to go into is Rockstar, which is more of this like plummy color. You guys can't really tell because of the light, but it is a very plummy purpley color. And I'm going to go in with my M513 brush, and I'm literally going to do that all over as well, but I'm going to go underneath the transition shade so it still appears there. So I'm going to go like pack it into my corner here and then take it and go in underneath. Don't bring it up as high. So now to make it even deeper, we're going to go into the Mystic shade in the corner here, which is basically the deepest purple in the entire palette to create more dimension. So we're stamping that in. There we go, nice and stamped in, and then again diffusing it throughout the eye. So now I'm going in with just this Luxie 245 small shader brush, and I'm going to go into the shades Ballsy and Bling Bling. We're going to put that like a cut crease. So for eyeliner, I'm going to be using Line Me by the Crayon Case. And we're going to do a nice little wing moment here. And boom, eyes are done, sis. Not too hard, right? Really easy. One palette, easy to use, only $15. Why not? So now we're going to go in and finish our face. The next step for us to finish our face is to carve out, to bronze, to contour. So to bronze, contour, whatever you want to call it, because I feel like it does both for me, I'm going to be using my MAC Shiny Pretty Things Face. Wow, this is really long. Shiny Pretty Things Face Compact in medium deep. I'm going to be using the deep shade here. My, I love when they're fresh and clean. I'm going to be using my, wow, R10 brush. The numbers are like fading away, so I can't even tell anymore. We're going to be using blush. So this is also another new product for us to be trying. It's the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. It looks like this. Very pretty, it's a very pretty set. It's a nice variety of color. I know it's super pigmented. I'm going with my Chanel blush brush, and I'm going to go into the shade, just to keep it on like the mauve side because of the eye. I'm going to be using the B shade here in the corner. Whoa! Whoa! She pigmented. She pigmented. Next for me, I'm just gonna spray everything down with my MAC Pep and Prime. As you can see, I'm running out. So depressed. So as that's like soaking into my skin, I'm gonna go off camera and put my mascara on and my lashes. Let me just show you the lashes I'm gonna put on before I put them on. I went to the beauty supply store today for some supplies, and I saw these lashes, and they're super cute. They're by Kiss. So wispy. I can't tell what the name are, but it's, I guess, So Wispy number 3. They're super cute, super wispy, not too dramatic. Okay guys, so I'm back. My lashes are very, what's the word I'm looking for? They're not dramatic, but they're not well, if they're not dramatic, then they have to be like low-key. So I'm not even gonna say low-key, but they're not like dramatic. Like you can pull this off for like an everyday type of lash. They're not what I expected. You can barely even see them on camera. They're pretty though, but I was expecting a little more. But anyway, that's besides the point. So now we're back and we're gonna glow. So I'm gonna go back in with another new product that I got. What is this? Maybelline Master Chrome by Face. I can't speak today. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Molten Peach highlighter. Just gonna dip into it with our M504 brush. Wow, that's a lot of pigment. I mean, product. So we're gonna go in. Last but not least is our lips. I want to do something more nude. I ordered the ColourPop by the ColourPop Shayla collaboration, the newest one that I think is by Caution or Cautionary or something like that. Guys, it's the Proceed with Caution collection. I bought the BFF number 4 lip liner and the lip that goes with it. Unfortunately, it didn't get here yet, so I can't really do that. So I'm gonna do the best of my ability as a nude lip. Yeah, so I think this is the closest I can get. So I'm gonna go in with my NYX in the color Downtown Beauty. Right? Am I right? Yeah, Downtown Beauty, and I'm gonna go in with my NYX Lingerie lippy in the color Beauty Mark. Side. Actually, no, I'm not using this. Sorry. I'm gonna go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Kristen. Yeah, so. Alright guys, so I'm gonna take this headband off and we're gonna go, yeah, we're gonna see the finished look. Share my pits. Sure. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. She's very pretty, simple, not too dramatic. This look, I wasn't going for anything like dramatic. I literally just wanted to sit here and do my makeup just because I haven't done it in a while and I feel like I haven't made a video in a while, so I just had that itch, you know, like that YouTuber's itch. So please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Please come and join my little family here. We would love to have you. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like me, or if you like my video, or if you like the palette that I used, or if you like anything at all about this video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up. We would love to have it and see it. You guys are amazing, and don't forget to be yourself and to love yourself always. You guys are the best, and until next time, America. Peace, love, and ketchup. Bye. Okay, I'm done.